In today's video we gonna talk about the best health benefits of honey. Do you know honey is made up of 80% sugar and 20% water? To produce 1 pound of honey, the bees must travel 45,000 miles and must visit 2.1 million flowers with 600 bees over the course of their lives. Honey is the only known food that has all of the nutrients required to sustain life. It contains water, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that provide energy to the organism. We use honey for healing burns, good memory, ulcer, diabetes, and cancer as well. So let's start with number 1. Honey is good for skin. It may help oily and acne-prone skin because of its antibacterial and antiseptic properties. It helps the skin to bring moisture and get rid of the oil from your face. You can add milk and honey for a glowing skin as well. Number 2. Antioxidants. Honey contains antioxidants that assist to lower blood pressure and keep it under control. Honey's antioxidants have been shown to improve heart health and lower the risk of heart disease in some circumstances. Number 3. Natural healer. Honey is known for its antibacterial properties and healing power since the ancient times. Its high friction aids in the prevention of infection and keeps the site moist. Honey heals the burns and wounds by killing the unwanted bacteria and fungus. Number 4. Cough suppressant. Honey has been shown in numerous studies to aid in the fight against illness and has been used as a cough syrup for many years. Children with respiratory illness may benefit from light honey with fewer antioxidants, while adults may benefit from stronger honey with more antioxidants. Diluting honey in a cup of tea in the morning and with a cup of milk before night, diluting honey in cold and warm water all have various benefits. Number 5. No to sugar. Honey is a good sugar replacement. Although honey is slightly better than refined sugar for diabetics, it should still be used with caution. Even though it is a substitute, honey is mixed with sugar syrup, making it very difficult for consumers to tell the difference between real and fake honey. So, please try your early morning coffee or tea and various desserts with honey. I wish you liked my video. If yes, please smash a like button and subscribe. I will be back with another video, so stay tuned. Till then, be safe and take care.